In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to combine Canva and Wix to design eye-catching visuals and add them seamlessly to your website. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva in your browser. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to create everything from social media graphics to detailed presentations. So go ahead and open the design you've been crafting. Perhaps it's a sleek logo, a captivating header, or a vibrant promotional image. Whatever it is, make sure it's polished and ready to shine. Once your design is ready and looking fabulous, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. From the options presented, you'll want to choose Download. Now let's consider the best file type to match your needs. If you're aiming for crisp and clear images, or if you need logos that maintain their transparency, PNG is your go-to choice. On the flip side, if you're looking to keep your images lightweight and web-friendly, such as banners or backgrounds, JPG will serve you well. For those scenarios where printing or document usage comes into play, PDF is ideal. And lastly, if your design features animations or video content, then opting for MP4 or GIF is the way to go. Each format has its strengths, so be sure to select the one that suits your specific project needs. With your design now saved, it's time to switch gears and head over to Wix. Log into your Wix account, and once you're in your editor, take a look at the left-hand menu where you'll find the media option. This is your gateway to bringing those designs to life online. Click on that, and then proceed to hit Upload Media. From there, you'll see the choice to upload from computer. Go ahead and select the file you downloaded from Canva and watch as it uploads seamlessly to your Wix media library. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for integrating your design into your website. The next step is placing your newly uploaded file onto your website. If it's an image, you'll want to click on the plus add page and then select image. You can browse through your media library, find the file you just uploaded, and select it for use on your website. From here, you can adjust the size and position to ensure it fits perfectly with the aesthetics of your site. Wix makes it incredibly intuitive to drag and resize your images to match your design vision. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your Canva design directly into Wix. With this method, creating visually stunning and professional-looking web pages is just a few clicks away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.